Good morning, guys. So today, instead of a meal planning Monday, I'm going to show you how I prep Thanksgiving. I like to be completely done and organized with everything by 2 weeks before, so that gives me plenty of time to just relax and do my grocery shopping and get everything done that needs done. But I will say, since I have such a well-stocked pantry, I don't have to buy that many things. So with that being said, let's just dive right in. I will leave a link to, and here it is right here. This is the blog that I got this awesome free printable from, and go over there and check out her stuff. It is absolutely the cutest thing ever. But I'll also leave a link, but that is right there. That is her website. So anyway, let's focus. There we go. Alright, so first is the housework sheet. And I love this because I just love having everything written out. So for cleaning, Monday, and also this is all, the Thanksgiving is going to be at my grandparents. That's what this one is for. Not the one at my house. But I would do the same exact thing. I just have this one done first. So this is the one you're going to see. So Monday, I will be deep cleaning the living room and kitchen because that's where everyone is going to be. And then I will also be cleaning out the fridge to make sure that, and I think that's a good idea regardless, to clean out the fridge before Thanksgiving, because not only are you going to be putting prep items, if you're smart about it, putting prep items in your fridge before the dinner, but you're also going to have leftovers after the dinner, and the last thing you want is to have to clean your fridge while trying to clean up your kitchen. So, deep clean the fridge, and then put my turkey in the fridge to thaw. On Tuesday, I will clean the stove and the serveware, so I'll get all the serveware out that I'm going to be wanting to use, make sure everything is good to go, that I have enough of everything. And I'll have all that sitting out on the counter waiting. Wednesday, I'll go ahead and get all of the glasses and cutlery and everything else. Get all that set out. Make sure it's all clean. And then I will also go ahead and clean the bathroom. Now, if you were doing this at your house, I would say clean the bathroom the day of. But since I'm the only one that really uses the upstairs except for holidays like this, doing it on Wednesday is fine for me, because if I clean it Wednesday before I leave, no one is going to use it again until Thanksgiving. So that's just how it works out for me. On Monday, I will start, and this is the difference. You can do like decorate in your table and kitchen, but see, I just put it all here, and then I'm going to use these for what I'm prepping Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I found that prepping your things and not trying to do it all on one day is, of course, a lot less stressful. So that is how I like to do it. So on Monday, I'm going to be making my candies. So my peanut brittle, my truffles, Buckeyes, and then I also have a note to thaw turkey, and that is in case I forget. Because if you have kids, you know your brain just isn't what it used to be. So if I forget to put my turkey in the fridge on Monday, I will start a quick thaw in cold water bath this is Sunday. I know it says Monday, but I need to put my turkey in the fridge on Sunday. It's a 20-pound turkey. Okay, so Sunday is when I need to put it in the fridge. If I don't get it in there Sunday, then Monday I need to do a quick thaw in water. And that's where you just change the cold water every 30 minutes and quick thaw it that way. So that is Monday. Tuesday, I am prepping cranberry sauce, green bean casserole, and sweet potato casserole. The green bean casserole and sweet potato can all be prepped and put in your casserole dishes and then stuck in the fridge until the day of, and on the day of, throw it in your oven, and it's good to go, and it tastes perfect. I'm also going to go ahead and cook sausage balls, which are one of the appetizers, and then cranberry sauce is going to be in is going to be done in a crock pot. So I'm going to take the crock part and prep it all and then stick it in my fridge so that it's ready to go. And then Tuesday, I'm also going to start brining my turkey. This year, my brother-in-law was wanting me to brine it because usually I inject it with butter. I have this syringe, and I inject that bad boy with a ton of butter all throughout the cooking process, and it turns out to be the most tender and juicy bird you will ever eat. But he said that it'll bring it back to life if I do a salt brine on it first, so that is what I'm doing this year. So I am starting that on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm going to go ahead and bake my pies. So pumpkin, pecan, 2 lemons, because my husband and dad, that's their favorite besides peanut butter pie, is lemon pie. And they always fight over it. So I'm going to make them each their own lemon pie this year. And then cherry delight. My dad's bringing apple pie. And then I'm also going to go ahead and make my spinach dip. And then bake my ham. Because then, since I am doing it at my grandparents', I actually have another kitchen downstairs. So I'll be able to just reheat the ham in the oven down there. So I'm going to go ahead and bake that Wednesday so I don't have to worry about it on Thursday. So the next thing you have is your menu. And it has a nice little shopping list, but I already have my shopping list written out, and I have whether the item is coming from I need to buy it, or it's coming from my pantry, or it's coming from my freezer. So this I'm going to use for while I'm cooking, because I'll have these with me. While I'm cooking, if I run out of something or unexpected, I don't have something that I need, I can then stick it on this list and go shopping for it. So that is what I'm using this for. Now, are you ready for my crazy what I'm cooking? All right. So, of course, I have the turkey, and then I have the ham because my husband doesn't like turkey. He also likes, if it's a little tradition that we do, if I find a different type of meat on sale that we don't usually get to have, be it lamb or bison or, sorry, you see my hand there, lamb, bison, goose, duck, whatever. He likes to have a little exotic meat to go with the meal. So that's left blank unless I find one on sale, in which case I will get it and bake it for him. So appetizers, spinach dip, meatballs, and they are the most easy crock-pot meatballs you will ever make. And then sausage balls, and then sides, it's everything. It's corn, mashed potato, sweet potato casserole, mac and cheese, deviled eggs, green bean casserole, gravy, dressing, mammal's rolls, slaw, and cranberry sauce. Like, I do it all. I mean, is there any other way to do it? Then do it all. And then it's the same with the desserts, the pumpkin pie, pecan pie, apple pie, cherry delight, and then the candies are going to be the peanut brittle, the Buckeyes, and then truffles. So I'm going to be doing lemon, white chocolate truffles, and red velvet cake truffles. And then drinks are sweet tea, a holiday punch, and then there'll be some soda or, of course, water. So that is all that. And last but not least, and my favorite part of it all, is the schedule. Because if you are like me and you love things written down, you love being able to keep a schedule, especially if you have children running around. I like to know when to put things in and just have it all planned out. So these, I do the times like this, and I love it like this, but you know it's all relative and things are going to happen. So this is just kind of the time frame that I want to do everything in. Of course, I have don't forget the desserts because they'll already be done. Change of clothes for the children, and then of course Tupperware because I don't live at my grandparents', so Tupperware to bring stuff home. And I've also told guests that they also need to bring Tupperware. And then for cooked things, we'll have the sweet tea, the punch, cheese and summer sausage. That's mostly for my breakfast the day of, but of course anyone else that comes into the kitchen can eat some too. And of course the appetizers, and then the ham, because it just needs to be warmed downstairs. So 6 a.m. first thing, we will prep the turkey, get the brine off of it, and start that up. And around the same time is when I want to start my rolls, because I am doing 3 batches, since everyone loves Mammo's rolls, and they always want leftovers. Last year we did not have enough for everyone to have any, so this year I'm making 3 batches. So there will be plenty of rolls for everyone to take some home. Around 8, I'm going to go ahead and prep the slaw and have it in the fridge going, and then I'm also going to turn on the crock pots, because the cranberry sauce, meatballs, mac and cheese, corn, which I have these down here too, just in case I forget, but all those are going to be in crock pots, so it'll be super easy. Just turn them on and let them go on the countertop and forget about them. And so I have these like meatball, corn, mac and cheese, and those are just in case for some reason the crock pots don't work. That would be when I needed to start them on the stove, but they're going to be in crock pots. Also, between 9 or 10 is when the turkey should be done. And I have to wait on the turkey to do the dressing, because I use the drippings in my dressing. And so essentially whenever the turkey's done, that's when I start the dressing. I will also go ahead and do deviled eggs, have them in the fridge ready to go. And then around 11 o'clock, I want to start prepping the potatoes to get them ready, because nothing's worse than old potatoes. So I want to do them near the end. And then, of course, bake my rolls, make my gravy from the turkey drippings, and then it says downstairs prep dishes, because I will be taking the green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole, everything like that is going to go in the downstairs oven, since the rolls will be baking in the upstairs oven. And so they will cook down there. Woo! So, I hope that this inspired you to maybe do a little scheduling yourself, or you can look at this and be like, wow, she's crazy, why is she cooking all this food? But you know what, if I'm crazy, then so be it, because I absolutely love the holidays, and I love cooking. I love cooking, and I love cooking big dinners, and so I long for the holidays so that I can cook like this. And that is why I like having it all written down, because I go a little overboard, but it's one of the few times I actually enjoy the leftovers, so bring it on. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it, and it gave you a little glimpse at how crazy I get for the holidays. And I will see you guys next time. I hope that you're okay with not having a meal planning Monday this week, but I wanted to do this instead, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a delicious recipe. Thanks for watching.